Hello friends, my name is Ankit and welcome to my channel, and here we are towards the last trading week, last couple of trading sessions for the year 2024. And in fact, for many of the markets, today is in fact the full trading session. Tomorrow many of the markets are trading half a day. So what to expect today from the four major indices: Nasdaq 100, Dow Jones, the Germany 40 and the FTSE 100. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. And this is the only channel to give you two updates a day. The next one will be released before the US session. Do watch that as well. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we look into Tech 100, followed with Dow Jones, then Germany 40 and India and UK 100. What's happening with UK and Tech 100 here? See, after hitting the highs here at 21,700, 800, we have seen a sharper slump towards the last trading session. A little retracement is seen here. Now 21,500, 540 and 21,600. These are the two levels it needs to break in order to turn bullish here. What I can see here on the early charts is the support coming in at around 21,440, 460 zone. So if you see it now trading below 21,440, you can take a selling entry for 21,400. 21,360, and below that we can look forward to a greater correction. Why correction? See, if you connect the dots, you will find Tech 100 is trading in this moderately bearish channel. Also, the moving average is crossing over here. So only bullishness today in Tech 100 is about 21,600, and then specifically beyond 21,760 is where the bulls are waiting. As long as these levels are respected, we have to be a bit cautious with the buys. Stochastic looking down, MACD crossing over for the buys, RSI comfortable, trading flat. On the 2 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Lower highs are seen, lower and higher lows are seen. Zone of consolidation here. Wait for it to just trade below 21,440, 400 zone, where you can say more bearishness should prevail. Second observation here is the crossover in the moving averages, making 21,540, 600 zone as the greater resistance zone on the upside. First, is it achievable? Yes, it is achievable, but yes, that is also going to be a greater resistance levels. Also notice it is trading in this bearish channel, and it can try to fall back within the channel. So after giving this major blow, it has fallen back within the zone, and now the highs of the channel are towards 21,600. So as long as now it respects 21,440, 400, we have to be cautious with the sells as well. Stock at the top, MACD bearish, RSI has dropped. On the 3 hour charts, the observation is more or less same. Preceding candle, a bit of consolidation, diminishing bearishness, so it can bounce back, it can move towards 21,500 and plus levels. Indicators, stochastic is starting to rise while the MACD is still on sells and the RSI flat. On the 4 hour charts, and the observation on the 4 hour charts is same. Only thing I am looking at here is after a decline almost of 50% retracement, now whichever direction it takes, it may try to stay here for a while. It can try to move towards the top of this channel, where the highs could be at around 21,600, 21,660, or in fact 720 zone. But yes, right now I will say it is not showing much bullish signs here. Wait for it to stay about 21,500, 540 zone for further bullishness. Stochastic rising, MACD is still on sells while the RSI is running flat. Coming to daily. On the daily chart, see this support is seen here, lower highs are seen here. Wait for it to show signs of reversal. If you notice this, what has happened, divide this into two, almost symmetrical closing here, and now it can try to move like this. I will wait for it to take a direction. See, ideally, you can sell here at 21,440, 430 zone, expect 21,400, 21,360, and then 21,300 levels. Below 21,300 is where major bearishness should prevail towards 21,250 and 21,200. And yes, there is a gap left on the downside which you would like to fill, and below 21,200 is where we are looking forward to extremely stronger correction. Chances for such a strong correction appears to be less today. And on the upside, yes, you can buy here at 21,500 and wait for 21,540 to be taken. If 21,500, 540 is taken, stay bullish for 21,600, and if 21,600 is taken, stay bullish for 21,660, 720 and 800 levels. Beyond this, if 21,800 is taken any point of time, the sky is the limit on the upside. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to Dow. See, US30 also likewise, after this greater correction from 43,200 towards 42,700, we have seen it retracing towards 43,000, a retracement up again, down again, and now I will wait for a breakout. So if you see, it is staying now above 42,900, 2950 zone. Stay bullish for 43,000, and if 43,000, 43,050 zone is taken any point of time, stay bullish. We are looking forward to a greater rise towards 43,200 again. Stochastic is at bottom, the MACD is bearish, it has also hit the lows here, and the RSI has dropped sharp as well. While on the 2 hour charts, we can also notice a bit of support coming in it here for US30. See, this support zone is intact, and thus if you now see it is staying below 42,840, take a sell for 42,800, 810, and if that is taken, you can say more bearishness should be seen here. Moving averages are on the verge of a crossover. This is a bearish cross here. The stock is comfortable while MACD and RSI both are trading bearish here, looking downwards. Coming to 3 hour, now notice on the 3 hour charts what has happened here. See, this is under retracement. Bullishness got diminished. It has given a breakout on the downside. Now trying to trade with moderate bearishness. At this point of time, we have to exercise a bit of caution. See, diminishing bearishness is a caution point for me, and thus when this candle ends and the next candle starts, it can try to bounce back up again, where we can expect it to move towards, in fact, 43,050, 43,100, and once it breaks 43,200, we can look forward to a greater rise. See, one bullish candle retracement, the next one could be equally strong bullish. The stochastic flat, MACD is slightly bearish here. RSI is also trading with slight bearishness. On the 4, the observation is more or less same. A bit of a struggle at around 21. We should rather see the 4 hour charts on Dow Jones. You can see similar observation. 43,000, 43,050 is the zone it needs to break, and then we can look forward to a greater rise towards 43,120, 43,200. Beyond 43,200, this time stay bullish for 43,500 levels. Notice this rise, and this is the nice bullish flag where the top is at around 43,500. Be mindful of this. Yes, the indicators, specifically stochastic, is on the rise while the MACD has crossed over for the sell, and the RSI is also trading with moderate bearishness. On the daily, the observation is more or less same. It is started on slight bearish note. Wait for it to stay above 43,000. That will be the confirmation of further bullishness, and then you can expect 43,100, 200 zone. See, notice this higher lows, higher highs. So it is still having the bullishness intact. The top of the channel is at around 43,500. Breaking 43,500 is where the bulls are waiting. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all have dropped significantly, which increases the chances of a reversal. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 42,920 levels, expect 42,960, then 43,020, 43,050 as the next resistance zone. And beyond this, you can expect good bullishness towards 43,140, 200. Beyond 43,200, this time stay bullish for 43,500 levels very, very, very soon. On the downside, take a selling entry at 42,840, expect 42,800, 780 as the first target zone, 42,720, 700 as the next. Breaking below 42,700, you need not think of buying, just stay short. Stay short for 42,500, 42,400 levels is the next target, and then below that 42,000 levels should be there very, very, very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's move to Germany 40. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's have a look at the Germany 40. See, DAX hitting the lows at 19,800. It has posted a very, very good recovery. After this drop, it is rising here. It has to break beyond 20,000, 20,050 levels. And if these two levels are taken, stay bullish for 20,100, beyond which we are looking forward to a greater rise. See, higher lows are seen consistently, higher highs are seen. Let it break out here on the upside. Also, the moving average is crossing over here. The support levels are 19,940 and 19,900 are intact. The stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD is in green. The RSI is flat. Coming to 2, look at the 2 hour charts here. Higher lows, higher highs. The support levels from the 2050 period. Moving average is strong. And see, the moving averages are trading bearish as of now, but it has converged after a bit of bearish move. So I will wait for a crossover, and this suggests that once it trades beyond 20,050, 20,100 levels, we can look forward to a greater rise. Notice this. See, stochastic has dropped a bit while the MACD is crossed over for the buys, and the RSI is trading in a comfortable zone. And when you look at the 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Support levels at 19,800, very, very strong. Support levels at 19,900, very, very strong. And now just waiting for a breakout here, either which ways. Another point to note here is the after the drop retracement, and if it drops again, it is going to deliver a massive move. Yes, the indicators are trading in a comfortable zone, neither extremely bullish nor bearish. On the 4 hour charts, also similar observation. Only thing is the direction in which it can give you a breakout, and it drop below 19,900 should be a good indication of forthcoming bearishness here. Why it could drop? See, this consolidation, strong consolidation. See the resistance and the crossover here. Thus, very, very important for Germany 40 to trade either above 20,000, 20,050 levels, or on the downside below 19,900, 19,850 levels. The stochastic looking down, MACD is on the rise, and the RSI is flat. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts here, similar observation here. See, one thing I am noticing this is the 20 period moving average, which has become a barrier here. And this also suggests that as long as 20,000, 20,050 levels are not taken, you have to be careful. But once it trades about 20,050, you can just stay bullish for 2100, 160, 200, and beyond 20,200 is where major bullishness might prevail here. Notice what is happening on DAX on the daily charts: rise, retracement, taking the support from the 50 period. It is again trying to bounce back. It can still deliver higher highs here. Be mindful of this. Yes, the indicators have cooled down a bit and are still staying bearish, looking downwards. So considering this, I will recommend you buy 20,000 levels, expect 20,000, 40, 50 at the first target zone. Beyond that, stay bullish for 2110, 2160 and 2200. Beyond 2200, sky is the limit, stay bullish. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2935 levels, expect 2915, 28 2915, 2900 as very good support. Below that, you can expect 28, 68, 40 and then 2800. If 20,800 is taken, stay short. Stay short for a greater correction here on the downside, which can take it towards 20,600 levels very, very, very soon. Take positions accordingly. Let's move to UK. See, UK under trading in a narrow zone, very, very tight zone here. Support level still on the downside towards 8110, 8100 is very, very strong. And now as long as 8110, 8100 is respected, we have to be careful. On the upside, 8150, 8160 anyways is a greater resistance here. So this complete zone is going to remain critical for UK 100. Indicators have cooled down significantly and are trading in a comfortable zone from where it can take direction any which ways. Look at the 2-hour moving averages. These have crossed over. Prices are precisely situated at the median. So in fact, if you now see UK 100 trading above 8135 levels, buy for 8150. And I will wait for UK 100 to break beyond 8150. That will confirm another round of a breakout move, which is going to take it towards 8165, 8185, 8200, 8220. Possibility is there. Yes, it is consolidated enough. It can give you a breakout soon. Moving MACD is bearish here, while the stochastic and RSI is trading in a very much comfortable zone. On the 3-hour charts also, the observation is same here. Yes, it is found a tail. It has found a support at 8120, 8115 zone and now trying to bounce back. Very, very important for it to stay above 8150. Yes, the stochastic, the MACD has crossed over here for the sales, trading with moderate bearishness, RSI flat. On the 4, similar observations, support levels here very much intact. We have to wait for it to give a breakout either which ways. Consolidation is going on, and see, importantly, the MACD has just crossed over for the sales. At the current levels, we have to wait for a breakout above 815060 should be a good indication there for a good rally. Coming to the look at the daily charts here. See, first of all, we have seen prices falling from the peak towards the last trading session. Today it has started on a slight bullish note. Also notice the support it is getting here at around 8120, 8115. Thus only selling below 8120, 8115, where you can expect 8105, 8100, and if it trades below 8100, 8095, stay short for 8075, 8050 levels. Chances for such a strong correction appears to be less. I can still expect that it can move towards higher highs where 85, 200 levels are possible. Though the indicators have the stochastic is looking down while the MACD is almost at the bottom and the RSI flat. So buy at 8135, expect 814850 at the first target zone, 8165 at the next, 8180, 8185 at the third, and then 8200 should appear. Beyond that, sky is the limit, 8225, 8250 levels soon. On the downside, a selling entry at 8115 levels to be taken. Expect 81058, or rather I'll say 8100, 8095 first and then 8075, 80 second. If these two levels are taken, stay short for 8050 and lower levels towards 8000, chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates.